What's up, guys? Happy Monday. Great morning to you. I hope you had a great weekend. But now, guys, is the time to lock in. And in today's video, I'm going to break down this right here. Super important. The weekly candle just closed yesterday for all your favorite altcoins and, of course, Bitcoin, which is really important to understand because right now, Bitcoin's doing something it hasn't done since February of 2024 and October of 2023. So let's get right into it. All I ask is that you drop a like, of course. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. I'm getting over a cough. My kids have been sick. Maybe you are not feeling the best. I think something's going around. That's usually how it works. But let's get right into this. So the biggest thing I want you guys to understand, and after I show you these three white arrows, right, or yellow arrows right here, I'm going to show you another chart where the MACD did this, but it was actually bearish. And then at the very end, I'm going to give you my best guess of what I think is coming next for Bitcoin and all your favorite altcoins like Jasmy and Dogecoin as well. So right now, Bitcoin has crossed. On a weekly time frame, the MACD has crossed, okay? The last two times this happened, I'm going to show you right here. MACD crossed. I shaded it for you to keep it very simple. Bitcoin, after this crossed, rallied for weeks, about 4 to 5 weeks. This was in February of 2024. Now, we had another cross back here, October 2023. So literally 1 year ago, Bitcoin MACD on a weekly time frame crossed. What happened to Bitcoin weeks to months after that? So guys, these last two times is exactly where we are today. We just had a cross. Yesterday, the weekly candle closed. What do you think is going to happen next? Another thing you need to understand is we're above the 21 EMA right now. So the last two times we had this cross, where were we? We were above the 21 EMA. The 21 EMA, guys, is that white line that you see way up there. This time in October, when we crossed, we were above the 21 EMA. February, above the 21 EMA. Just now, above the 21 EMA. So what do you think is going to happen next? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. Now, another thing we got to pay close attention to is just because the MACD crossed does not mean that it's super bullish from here. This was October 2023. You could see that. But the other two times the MACD crossed, white line over red line, which is a good indicator telling us it's time to rally. This time, I believe this was in June of 2022, it crossed, Bitcoin ran for 2 to 3 weeks, and then it crashed down. Before that was also in 2022, it crossed, and what happened? We rallied for another 2 weeks, and then we broke down. See, all of this right here. Now, it's very important to understand one thing. When these two times crossed for the MACD, we were under the 21 EMA. Under the 21 EMA when this crossed, okay? When the last chart I just showed you, the last three crosses, we were above the 21 EMA. So that's the biggest thing that we all need to think about is where is Bitcoin heading next? Because right now we're above the 21 EMA. I'm feeling very good about Bitcoin and altcoins. I've made updates to the Patreon all weekend. We've been having great talks about it. Again, make sure you join the links out down below if you want to be a part of it and really lock in all the gains over the next 6 to 12 months. We're going all in on this thing, and we got every single indicator locked in on certain stocks and crypto. But guys, history shows us that, excuse me, when the MACD crosses and we're above the 21 EMA, it's a very good sign, especially on a weekly time frame. Don't forget to drop a like, guys. I'll see you later this afternoon. Watch the rest of this video. I'm going to provide some value real quick. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's just my own opinion, but I've been studying this for years. I want to be 100% real with you guys. I want to show you my wins and my losses from September 4th to October 4th. We had some massive runners up over 30%. You can see on the screen right here. Another thing to note, I'm about to share this information with you. Understand, when I buy, I'm thinking weeks to months out. I am not buying based on me thinking the stock or crypto will move up the same day. Now, I alerted the group 31 buy alerts. We are green in 20 of them, and we are red in 11 of them. So we're winning at the end of the day. You can add it all up. You would be up if you took all of these buy trades that I sent out to the Patreon. Now, even though we're red on a couple of them, I still feel very good about the red ones over the next month to 2 months. So again, when I buy, I'm looking at weekly timeframes. I'm looking at daily timeframes. I'm doing all the homework for you guys. So if you want to get in, you can join the Patreon down below as low as $10 a month. Dogecoin, up 10%, Bitcoin up 18%, AOs from when I said to buy at 37 cents, up 30%, Ethereum up 1%, let's go Ethereum, FET up over 33%, we said to buy at 84 cents and at 109, again, this is just the last 30 days, Tesla we're up over 9%, buy at 230, SoFi up 20%, Matic, I mean, you get the picture, right? AMD up 23%. I'm going to skip forward to the losses because that's important. ICP down 3%, Quant down 6%. Tesla again at 226, we're up, obviously. XRP, buy at 58 cents. We're down 7% on that because the stupid news that just came out the other day. You can see we have some more buys here up 5. Now here are the killers right now. CRV down 15%, XCN down 15%, Link, Chainlink down 11%, CELH, which I nibbled at, down 6%. I still think this will be a great runner over the next couple weeks. We got SUI up 2%. SoFi Hood is going to be great. Mara down like 1%. Shop up 3%. FTM up 5%. So guys, you get the picture. We're going to call out a bunch of winners. I've been doing this for 2 years now, live with the Patreon, but I've been studying this for years. I've been involved in crypto since 2018. So I just wanted to keep it 100% real with you, tell you my wins and my losses from the last 30 days. It's going to get good, though, over the next 30 days. If you want to follow along, join the Discord. The links are down below. If you want to get call-outs on this, by the way, I post charts on it. So I give you actual details of why I'm saying now is a buy. I'm teaching about the stochastic and the RSI as well.